So I got the subframe back in. Wheels, I got the little, special tool, doing the alignment tool. But here's the trick, what I gotta do. Because the universals were screwed up, so I'm putting new universals on there. But the trick is, see the sleeve right there? Right, sleeve right there. I have to weld that on the shaft. That's what I'm about to do. Because my old steering knuckle universals, they were totally completely shot. But otherwise, it's all in. Wheels on. Got it all centered. Steering wheels are in correct position. I'm just gonna weld it up. That's what I'm doing right now. And then put the engine back in. Okay.